You don't have any weapons on you or anything?
No.
You mind just lifting your shirt up? Not like that. That's perfect. Come on back here.
Here, I'll take my pants off.
No, I don't want you to take your pants off.
On July 25th, 2025, deputies stop a speeding Kia reported stolen. The driver, Walter Frank Camp, is drunk with weed edibles and open alcohol, threatens to kill the officers and their families.
How do you know who I am?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Well, I'm stopping you for passing and a no passing. Was there any reason for that?
The guy cut me off.
That guy cut you off?
Yes.
Okay. When was that?
Right before I did that.
Right before you passed him?
Yes.
It's a straight road.
Yes.
Okay, so he cut you off on a straight road?
Yes.
When was that?
Right before I did the task.
Okay, I understand what you're saying, but that doesn't make any sense because...
It makes a lot of sense.
So...
I avoided an accident.
So where did he cut you off at?
Right before I seen you.
On a straight road?
Yes.
Did he pull in front of you?
Yes.
Where did he come out from?
I don't know where he came out from. He cut me off, and I had to go out the other lane.
Okay.
To avoid an accident.
Yeah. I didn't see that.
Well, you didn't see it. Obviously.
Code 4 reference signal. So you're saying he pulled out in front of you.
That's what I'm saying.
You had to go around him to avoid an accident.
Yes.
Okay, it looked like you were just trying to aggressively pass and speed.
I was avoiding an accident.
Okay. Where are you heading to now?
Key West.
Where are you coming from?
Washington.
Is this your car?
It's a rental.
It's a rental car? Do you have the rental agreement?
Yes.
Can I see it?
If you must. Yes.
I already saw it. It's all good. How much have you had to drink?
None.
None?
None.
Not that big Bud Light right there?
That's been sitting there since last night.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
None.
Okay.
This is my rental agreement right here.
Okay, perfect. Why don't you step out of the car, come back to my car. We'll talk back in my car. Step out of the car.
First see that.
Okay, I got it. Let's step out of the car. We'll go back and talk in my car.
Okay.
You don't have any weapons on you or anything?
No.
You mind just lifting your shirt up? Not like that. That's perfect. Come on back here.
Here, I'll take my pants off.
No, I don't want you to take your pants off.
I don't have no weapons.
That's fantastic, sir. I did not ask you to do that. Come back to my car.
Well, you asked me to show you.
Go over there. I just want to make sure you didn't have anything in your waistband, sir.
Well, obviously I don't.
Well, I appreciate it, but I obviously don't need you to pull your pants down here on the side of the highway. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the deal.
What's the deal?
I can smell a heavy odor of alcohol coming from you when you talk. So the odor of the alcoholic beverage, not alcohol itself.
From last night.
Okay. Your eyes are bloodshot, glassy.
From last night.
Okay. Your eyes are bloodshot and glassy.
Yes, sir.
You're slurring your words.
No, I'm not.
You are 100%.
No, I'm not.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Fantastic.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to ask.
Okay.
Would you be willing to participate in some voluntary field sobriety exercises?
I would not.
Okay, you don't want to...
Why not?
Why not?
Why?
Why would...
Why?
Why what?
Why would I participate?
Well, I'm requesting you to.
I'm not going to request that, no.
Okay, I don't need you to request it. I'm asking you, would you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety exercises? To dispel my belief, you're operating that motor vehicle while you're under the influence of an alcoholic beverage. Okay. Well, I believe you are.
Well, there you go.
So through my training experience...
Well, that's your training.
And experience.
Okay.
I've been doing this a long time.
Okay.
So...
I've been driving for a long time, 6 to 7 years.
Well, that's fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and...
Fantastic.
I'm going to ask you again.
Yes, sir.
Would you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety exercises? Okay, turn around for me.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Yes, sir.
I might be placed under arrest.
Yeah. Don't step up.
Yes,
you're under arrest for DUI. 100%. You are.
No, I am not.
Okay.
I refute this.
You refuse to be arrested?
And I refuse this. I know the commander.
Who's the commander?
The Key West commander. You call him right now and tell him Frost. You tell him you pull Frosty over.
Who is that?
Just call him.
Who do you want me to call?
Just call him.
Who? Who am I calling?
The commander of Key West.
Commander of Key West?
Yes. 40 years.
Who is the commander of Key West?
Just call him.
Okay, I don't understand who you're asking me to call.
I'm asking you to call him.
I don't know who that is.
Well, call him anyway.
Call somebody I don't know who it is?
He's your office. He's he is your supervisor.
He's
call him.
He's
right
my
now.
supervisor?
Yes, call him right now.
You know his name?
He will know my name.
Who?
Just call him.
You're not giving me a name to call. Do you know how many people that I work for?
There's only one commander.
There's not even a commander at all. That's not even a title.
There's only one, the police chief.
A police chief?
Yes.
Do you see who I work for? I don't work for Key West, Bubba.
Okay, Bubba.
I don't work for Key West Police.
Guess what?
What's that?
Call him anyway.
Call the Key West commander?
Yes.
Let me lock your cuffs so they don't get tighter on you.
How you doing, man? I'm good.
Can you do me a favor and just lean up against my car while I go?
Absolutely.
Do you have anything of value inside your car? What'd you say? When you get out in 24 hours, what?
When I get out, the commander is going to pension up and your woman up and your house up and you up, Rudy.
Okay. Do you want to take your phone?
Rudy, no, put my phone back where it was. Thank you very much.
Okay. You understand that you're going to be in jail?
Understand? Put the phone back.
Ooh. Ooh. God damn.
Fuck him. Okay, there you go.
Huh?
What we gotta do now?
Go to jail?
Okay.
Step back.
Okay.
I'm not ready to go yet.
I'm ready to go.
As deputies question him, Camp explodes in rage, screaming at the officers, threatening to kill them and their families, turning a simple traffic stop into a violent, felony-level confrontation.
No, you will not tow my vehicle.
No, 100% I'm towing you.
You will not tow my vehicle.
Okay. All right.
Lock it up, shut the keys off, take the key, shut it off, everything.
Next question. Next conversation. You have another question?
No, I want you to do that first.
Okay.
And then we...
Well, I'm towing it, so...
We're not towing it.
100% it's getting towed.
We are not towing it.
No, we're not.
We are not.
We're not towing it. I'm towing it.
Well, then you're fucking...
What? Okay.
Okay.
I didn't hear you.
I'm gonna fuck your kids and your children and your wife and your everything else.
All right, cool. And you just earned a felony. Another one.
Bitchin'.
Good job.
Get it on, baby.
Good job.
Get it on, baby.
Like 10 minutes.
Get it on, baby.
Oh, no. When you talk about fucking...
Get it on, baby. I don't want to talk to you.
Yeah. I didn't ask you to talk.
You got any kids?
What?
You got any kids?
I don't really think that's your business.
I'm gonna in the ass. If I don't do it, I'm gonna have somebody else them in the ass. Just keep going. There you go. I want you on the camera to know this.
To know what?
What I just said.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's all you wanted me to know?
Yeah. You seen The Deer Hunter? The movie? The Deer Hunter. 1978.
Probably not. I don't think so.
Well, he's from Pennsylvania. They go deer hunting. One shot, one. I only need one shot, John. From 2,000 yards, try to find me, brother. Try to find me. I can be off the island before you even find out he's not here. Think about that, John.
Hey, Walter, so like I read in that thing, so your license is going to be suspended for 1 year, okay?
It's not going to happen, John, but go ahead.
Okay, well, your lawyer you know, they can do whatever they can do. But for right now, until you talk to your lawyer, if they're able to do something where you...
And he'll be in your front driveway, and he'll be dead, and I'll be in the Virgin Islands. So there you go.
I thought it was, what did you say, Montana or Minnesota?
Well, it doesn't matter where I am, John. I'm gonna be on the run, so I'm
Like
gonna
the
kill.
book
What matters is that I'm gonna kill that motherfucker. That's what matters, John.
Okay.
You see, I know you're filming right now.
Mm-hmm.
I know that, and it's audio and visual. And guess what, John? I'll be out of the country right after I kill him. You won't find me in the world. I have a passport. I got many passports.
I wish I could do.
You have no idea, John, who I am, do you? You
wish I could
still
disappear
do
like
not
that.
know who I am. And we will find out when that motherfucker is dead. Then you'll say, that dude was for real, and I didn't listen.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, John. Because that motherfucker is dead. Put my name on his gravestone. Walter Camp. Because that motherfucker.
The suspect was charged with DUI or driving under the influence, grand theft of a motor vehicle, threats to law enforcement officers, indecent exposure, and resisting arrest.